we will be open for question and answer. So let us go with the presentation part, yes. Yeah. So the profit reached to 10.27 lakh crore on a YOY basis. The business growth is backed on the growth in deposit and advances both. So under deposit, the growth was 7% and we reached to 5.89 lakh crore. And the deposit, it is growth backed by the CASA growth. So saving bank deposit has grown by 7% and current account has grown by 9%. And as a result, we could maintain the 41% CASA ratio. The credit growth has been 14%, 1/4, and we reached to 4.38 lakh crore. The credit growth is backed by the growth in all sectors. So in a RAM sector, which we called retail, agri and MSME, has grown by 13%. RAM, and another RAM, retail has grown by 14%. So in the retail sector, our home loan has grown by 11%, auto loan has grown by 28%, personal loan has grown by 26%, jewel loan has grown by 19%, and other retail has grown by 14%. So retail has grown by 14%. So all components of the retail, whether it is a housing, whether it is a auto, whether it is a jewel, whether it is a personal, all loans have grown. Under the agriculture, investment credit has grown by 51%, agri-allied has grown by 9%, and infrastructure 36%. So agriculture has grown by 15%. MSME has grown by 9%, micro 8%, small 6%, medium 17%, so 9%. So virtually all our cylinders are firing, all verticals are. Credit is growing 6%, and as a result, our RAM, which was around 60 plus 0.5%, has reached to 62% in September. So that is a business. If you go back to the first slide, please. So in the profitability front, by 11% on YOY and reached to 3,629 crore. Likewise, the net profit of the bank is grown by 13%. So operating profit has grown by 11%, net profit has grown by 13% and reached to 1,225 crores. So that the operating profit and the net profit has grown on the strength of our NII growth, net interest income growth. So net interest income has grown by 15%, 1/5, and in other income, basically our fee-based income has grown by 18%, or forex income has grown by 171%, PSLC commission has grown by 383%, and there is a decline of 77% in the trading profit because of the market movements. So as a result of increase in NII and other income, our operating profit has grown by 11%. So point is that income has grown 15%, expenditure has grown only by 4%, resulting in an increase in operating profit 11%, and then there is a reduction in provisions as well. So mainly because of NPA provisions. So profit before tax has grown by 116%, 116, and net profit has grown by 12%. So and the return on asset 0.7%, and return on equity is 13.83%, and the cost income ratio is 44%. In fact, in the quarter, we could contain our cost of deposit, and cost of deposit is grown by 16 bps to 4.02, whereas the yield on advance has grown by 50 bps and reached to 7.48%. And as a result, our margin has improved to 3.20%. asset quality is under control, and our gross net and PCR all have improved. So gross NPA has come down from 9.56% a year back to 7.3%, and likewise the net NPA has come down to 1.50%, and there is an improvement in PCR by 776 bps, and PCR is 91%. So in sum and substance, bank business has grown 10%, deposit has grown 7%, advances has grown 14%, operating profit has grown 12%, 11%, net profit has grown 13%, and our gross and net NPA has come down substantially. So margin has improved to 3.20%. This is the sum and substance, and capital wise we are at a 16.15% is against the 11.5% of the regulatory requirement. So bank is fully or adequately capitalized. As far as digitization is concerned, is against 70% of the digital transactions. A year back it is at 82%, so 12% higher. But we have launched number of journeys for liabilities and asset side both. In the liability side, through tablet banking we are acquiring saving account and current account. On a lending side,